Target locked.
Hi Daddy, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Don't be sad because I have compiled all the videos from your loved ones here.
Yo, 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 yo! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my big brother. Ingat ka palagi dyan. See you soon. I love you and I miss you.
Hi, Tito Nonoy. Happy birthday. Ingat lagi dyan. Yay! Thank you for everything. Good health always. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Nonoy. Ingat lagi.
Happy 30th birthday. I love you. Wish you good health always. Ingat ka permi una sa imong work. Salamat sa tanan-tanan. Sa imong pagpalangga kamon ag pagsuportat. I love you. See you soon.
Hi Noy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Noy. Ingat mo pa rin sa work.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. My brad, happy birthday. Ingat lagi. And God bless. I love you.
Hello, Noy. It's your day today. Happy birthday kimo. Ingat ka pa mo na sa imong trabaho. God bless you. See you soon. Love you.
Noy, happy birthday. I love you. Mag-iingat ka una. Mga muyo tigil sa kay Papa Lord. Ano na yan? Ang Tagalog kayo mo rin. Ako hindi ka pag-aswano. Happy birthday, Noy. I love you so much. Tatay! Noy, kaya si tatay mo Noy, tarsyado Noy, para kay mo Noy. May photo kami Noy. Happy birthday, Noy! We love you! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Tito Gerald. Wish you all the best. Ingat po kayo lagi dyan. We love you. We miss you. Bye!
Happy birthday po Tito. God bless you. Ingat po lagi.
Happy birthday, Cass! We miss you always. God bless.
Happy birthday, San. Ingat.
Happy birthday, Nak!
God, happy birthday. Ingat ka lagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, pre. Tagay ta.
Hello, pre. Happy birthday. Parang Raymond mo na. Yeah. Tabas. Gawat imo para mag-shot. Kaya kami ni Uray. Classmate na bas natin niya. Gabay pa, pre. Sa mayad ka nga was. Upang birthday nga mabot. Okay, pre. Hagong, perme.
A few moments later.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ano wish mo? Wish.
what is your wish?
Always good health.
Always good health.
Always
Healthy
good health.
life. Yes. This is important.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Third Gervasio. Salamat at for the short time nagsama tayo. You are the best third engineer na nakasama ko. Napaka-hardworking, napakabait. And then, today is your birthday, so I wish you a lot God will bless you sa lahat ng mga plano mo, mga future plan mo, sa family mo, sa love life mo. Especially ngayon, it is nakagawa ko nito dahil sa napaka-supportive na girlfriend mo. So, thank you kay ma'am. Anyways, akong light verse para sa imo, i-post na ako ni last time. Akong utuhon pagbasa. So, Numbers chapter 6 verse 24 to 26. So, may the Lord bless you and guard you. May the Lord face enlighten you and bestow favor on you. May the Lord turn to face you, lavishing peace on you. So, happy birthday, Third. I believe na you will achieve your goal in the perfect time. Kauban sa mga pag-ampo. So, uban sad sa imong mga mahal sa kinabuhi, especially sa imong pinangga ang girlfriend kay ma'am. So, ma'am, happy birthday sa inyong duha. So, more blessing and good health para sa imo. God bless.
want you to know that I'm always here for you, and I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of the man that you have become. And continue being humble, responsible, and dedicated to your work. May the Lord God bless you with all your heart's desires. I love you so much. See you soon. Mwah.